स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Heard the learned counsel for the appellant full stop para. The two courts below had given concurrent findings of fact against the claim of plaintiff appellant of being owner in possession of disputed property in the suit filed for the relief of permanent injunction full stop. Against said judgments, present second appeal has been preferred full stop para. Second appeal has not been admitted full stop. With memorandum of second appeal, the appellants have filed application with request that documentary evidences annexed with accompanying affidavit may be accepted as evidence for disposal of the second appeal full stop para. Order 41, Rule 27 CPC reads as under colon para. Production of additional evidence in appellate court. First, the parties to an appeal shall not be entitled to produce additional evidence, whether oral or documentary, in the appellate court, full stop. But if the court from whose decree the appeal is preferred has refused to admit evidence which ought to have been admitted, or para, the party seeking to produce additional evidence establishes that notwithstanding the exercise of due diligence, such evidence was not within his knowledge or could not, after the exercise of due diligence, be produced by him at the time when the decree appealed against was passed, or para B. The appellate court requires any document to be produced or any witness to be examined to enable it to pronounce judgment, or for any other substantial clause, para. The appellate court may allow such evidence or document to be produced or witness to be examined, full stop, para. Second, whenever additional evidence is allowed to be produced by an appellate court, the court shall record the reason for its admission, full stop, para. Discussing the provisions of Order 41, Rule 27 CPC, the Apex Court held in Union of India versus Ibrahim Uddin as under colon para. Stage of consideration. An application under Order 41, Rule 27 CPC is to be considered at the time of hearing of appeal on merits so as to find out whether the documents and or the evidence sought to be adduced have any relevance bearing on the issues involved, full stop. The admissibility of additional evidence does not depend upon the relevancy to the issue on hand or on the fact whether the applicant had an opportunity for adducing such evidence at an earlier stage or not, but it depends upon whether or not the appellate court requires the evidence sought to be adduced to enable it to pronounce judgment, or for any other substantial cause, full stop. The true test, therefore, is whether the appellate court is able to pronounce judgment on the materials before it without taking into consideration the additional evidence sought to be adduced, full stop. Such occasion would arise only if, on examining the evidence as it stands, the court comes to the conclusion that some inherent lacuna or defect becomes apparent to the court, full stop, para. Thus, from the above, it is crystal clear that an application for taking additional evidence on record at an appellate stage, even if filed during the pendency of the appeal, is to be heard at the time of the final hearing of the appeal at a stage when, after appreciating the evidence on record, the court reaches the conclusion that additional evidence was required to be taken on record. in order to pronounce the judgment or for any other substantial cause, full stop. In case the application for taking additional evidence on record has been considered and allowed prior to be hearing of the appeal, the order being a product of total and complete non-application of mind as to whether such evidence is required to be taken into consideration, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये 100 कह रहे हैं 110 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है, ठीक है, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के लिए। और कल डिक्टेशन डाल नहीं पाए थे क्योंकि शेड्यूल हेक्टिक हो गया, लेकिन हम डालते रहेंगे। और क्या कहते हैं, देखिए ऑर्डर जब भी आता है ना वो रोमन में होता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ जो हमने 41 दिया है उसका सबका कुछ रोमन जो नॉर्मल है 50 तक का या 50 या 70 तक का नॉर्मल, 70 तक की रोमन नंबर्स आप थोड़ा याद कर लो कि किसमें कौन से नंबर में रोमन्स क्या लिखे जाते हैं, ठीक है। मैक्सिमम 70 तक का तो कम से कम आपको आना चाहिए, ताकि जब ऐसी कोई बात आए डिक्टेशन में थोड़ा बड़े नंबर्स आएँ तो उनको आप लिख लो और समझ लो, ठीक है। इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह तो नहीं आए हैं। इब्राहिम BR बनाइए, थ्रो द लाइन BR और M बना दीजिए, ठीक है, और ज़रूरी वॉवल्स लगा दीजिए, इब्राहिम हो जाएगा। और उद्दीन के लिए केवल क्या कहते हैं, थ्रो द लाइन D और N का हुक, ठीक है, और U की वॉवल बिफोर में, उद्दीन। और यही है। तो इसको डे की डिक्टेशन बताइएगा, कोई मिस्टेक शेयर कीजिएगा और कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन बताइएगा, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।